Alrighty, Jam Box Breaks here. It's 9 September, 8 or 9 p.m. Eastern Time. We're doing the 5-boxer of 2016 Archives signatures. Random teams to get a list. Alright, we got Brett, Brad, David, Brady, Luke, David, Jesse, Jared, David, Dave, Scott, Bo, Brian, and Brady. Alright, so Brady on bottom, Brett on top, anything higher than 4. Alright, 9 times, guys, 9 times. Good luck. 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Starting off with Luke, ending with Scott. Alrighty, Luke with D-backs, Braves go to Dave, Brett with the Orioles, Red Sox go to David, Brady with the White Sox, Cubs go to Jesse, Scott with the Reds, Indians, and Rockies go to David. Jared with the Tigers, Astros go to David, Brad with the Royals, Angels go to Brian. Brian also has the Dodgers. Marlins go to David, Brady with the Brewers, Twins go to Luke, Brad with the Mets, Yankees go to Jesse, Brady with the Athletics, Phillies go to Dave. That's ironic. His favorite team. Scott with the Pirates, Padres go to David, Brett with the Giants, Mariners go to Jared, Bo with the Cardinals, Scott with the Rays, Rangers go to Brady, Bo with the Jays, and Nationals go to Scott. Good luck, everybody. Yeah, John, you just got to order them online, brother. Supreme always drops me. Supreme's resale is terrible. I never break Supreme anymore. I stopped that. It's already dropped a lot. Last year's is really low. I wish, right? All right, nice hit for the Spanks. 20 of 23, Mr. Paul O'Neill. 20 of 23, New York Yankees. That is going to Jesse. Nice hit, Jesse. Shut up, Scott. We did one freaking box so far. Got Mamie already. Come on, guys. I do gotta get this booming sorted, though. I'm like 1 case in, that's it. Get the shit sorted for you guys tomorrow. Nice hit. That was another 101. 1 of 2, Craig Biggio, Houston. Houston is David B. There you go, David. Makes up for earlier a little bit. 1 of 2, Craig Biggio on the 2000. Yeah, year 2000 or not? Yeah, 2000 Topps Gold Label. Nice hit. Yeah, you don't want to go there. I'll sell you Bowman Chrome, Scott. You guys want me to open it live? I ain't going to ship it because it's not worth it to me. All right, so Houston, let's go on David. David B, nice hit. Bucks 3. I know, right, brother? Happens, brother. All right, for the Red Sox, 4 of 10, good old Jim Rice. Boston, going to David B as well. Nice hit. Another Apici. It's so funny. I mean, I know Apici's a Topps brand, but you think they'd have the Topps version. It's all been Apici's. 1983. Apici. Jim Rice. Alrighty. Box 4. Another good Yankees hit. Yankees are a good team to get in this. 4 of 5, Andy Pettitte. Going to Jesse. Nice hit, buddy. 4 of 5, Andy Pettit. That's on 2013 Topps. I think that's the year he retired. No, he retired, what, last year? Not a bad case, guys. And box number 5. I got 5 left. So I can sell those or we can do another break. Let me know now. Oh, I knew he was coming. Comes out in every single one. I pulled like 3 of these already. Quaker Chewy granola bars with Steve Garvey. 3 of 33. San Diego. 1986, right? Yep, 1986. San Diego. David B hits again. So David B, you had a good break, my friend. You got 3 of them. 3 spots, 3 cards. Thanks, guys. Unfortunately, not everyone can hit. What do you guys want me to do? You want me to post another 5 boxer? Does anyone want to buy any boxes?